Welcome everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Rafiur Rahman Rafit from .bd Solution. I am a technical and functional consultant in .bd Solutions. So if you purchase our module or have interest in your module, let me demonstrate about our module, information about the module and how to set up it in your Odoo. Okay. First of all, this is our ZKTeco module. So basically ZKTeco module, you can see that it can be connected by the PyZK and direct mode. You can see that how it is working. So every information are there. Okay. So basically there are two modes of our module. Okay, you can see the live dashboard, everything is here. Basically ZKTeco module have two methods. Most of the module basically follow ADMS. Some modules have PyZK that we call it direct method. So you can connect the ZKTeco device and integrate with your attendance module in Odoo. Okay. So this is our module demonstration. We have many features like auto time, auto check-in, traditional checking, live capture. Okay, everything is here. Also our dashboard, you can see our dashboard also, and some extra features. So yeah, you can see it is PyZK and ADMS and hybrid method. What method you will choose? So suppose you want to push data from your device to the Odoo. So from Odoo server you just need to pull the data from your ZKTeco device. So you can use that method. So it is basically it is pulling all data and processing in the Odoo. So it is our recommended because no capture will be missed in this method. And second one is ADMS method, that is highly popular. What will do, basically it send device, ZKTeco device send data to the Odoo server, directly to Odoo server. So it will be captured live. And PyZK, that is called direct method, it will check after every 20 minutes and it will fetch data. And hybrid method, like some company want to implement ADMS, it have fetch data from the device or the device center data. So what you do in ADMS, we send the data to Odoo. Sometimes there may be internet connectivity issue or something else. So some punch will be missed because the device send the data. Odoo is not connected to it. So in hybrid mode you can connect two methods together. So when there is missed data, if the device connected later in internet, so it will push the data from the device and correct it. Okay. So these are the attendance, and these are the attendance mode, that is traditional check-in. So basically it read the device punch mode, that is check-in, check-out, breakout. So it put according to that. Another is auto mode, whether your punch is checking or check out, it will automatically convert. Like if an employee come in the morning, if we punch on the device, it automatically count as a check-in, then the second punch will be as count as check-out. Okay, in that day. And third punch will be the checking again. So you don't need to hassle the device punch type, or Odoo, our module will automatically convert it. And auto per day, basically it count first punch as a check-in and other punch will be updated as a checkout. And traditional per day, basically a mode of auto per day, but it is see the device checking or checkout time. It works same like that, but it all just check the device punch type. So it depends on the punch type method. So you can decide what method you can do. So this is our everything. Every instruction has been given here. Okay, our setup guide, how we can set up everything in here. So these are the hybrid method, every configuration have been there. So if you need any support, so you can knock us. After purchasing our module, you can get a 15-day support. We provide guide how to set up or mapping like that. We give some consultation. It is from us. Okay. So we have a good review. You can see our review there. Everything is there. Okay. Core feature, biometric indication, real-time dashboard, anomaly detection, late check management, attendance sheet, everything is here. And basically ZKTeco device, which device are basically compatible with us. basically ZKTeco device which have ADMS mode and PyZK mode, either one method or two method, all are compatible with our module. And this is the demonstration how we can connect, but I will show in the video how you can connect the device. Also, there is a payroll feature in our module. So those who use community version, let me scroll down. You can see those who use community version, they don't have payroll feature. So we introduce a payroll for the community user, so they can use our payroll feature also. Okay. So this is our hotline support. You can knock us on WhatsApp. We are active from Sunday to Thursday from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, you can support, but we also in support. We try to give support to our customer in off time also, if it is possible from us. And these are the instructions. This is the OPL1 license. Everything is here. Every details you can read it from here, and you can see this is our review. So we supported many countries, so they are satisfied with our module. We try to listen to our customer. Okay, these are the things. So let me jump to our module directly, how we can do those things in here. So let me go. First of all, you need to go to the apps. You can see it is already been installed. Just let you know how we can install it. Just you need to click on activate developer mode before going to the apps. Go to the settings. So if you push your apps through the GitHub or in on-premises server, basically Odoo.sh, you don't need to restart your server, it automatically restart it. But for on-premises, after downloading our module and injecting in your server in custom folder, just restart your Odoo server and click activate developer mode. And if you don't see your apps, just update app list from here. Okay, it will update the apps. Then search ZKTeco. So just you need to install, click, you will see the install button, you need to click the install. And after that, you need to go to the settings, just assign an user or yourself to the ZKTeco as an admin or manager. Just scroll down, you can see these things. So you need to check box this. Okay, you need to check this according to your access. So I have checked on this. Now I have to go to our attendance module. And one thing, if you need to use payroll, like you are a community user, just enable that payroll. Basically for the enterprise version user, they don't need our payroll module, payroll feature. So this is for the exclusive for the community user. Now go to the attendance. Yeah, you can see this is our dashboard. Everything has been shown here. Okay, so I can change the month to the July. You can see everything is coming here, late, absent, present, everything is here. And you can change the overview. If you don't need this, just you can change from the settings. Go to the settings. Okay, go to the settings, scroll down, you can see, you can select the overview. It will be automatic default overview view of the Odoo, that is we see normally in Odoo. So this is extra feature, so you can do it from here. So let me demonstrate how to set up our ZKTeco module. Just need to go to the device. You can see already 3 devices has been connected, 2 has been offline. They are connected by the PyZK method. Okay, so let me go, scroll down. So you can see offline, because the device has been offline, they offline, so it is showing the offline. So how can you set up it? So you just need, if your server, if you are using the on-premises server, so you can just put the IP in here or the domain name, and basically this is the IP of the device. Sorry for that misinformation. Basically IP of the device. So if your server is in your office on-premises server, you can use the local IP address, or you can configure VPN, or in from the Wi-Fi you can port forward it. Okay, so it your technical network technical will handle it. Okay, after everything has been, you can see the auto birthday mode has been selected, custom time zone, you can select the custom time zones, because some of the devices basically they have manufacturing time zone, so we add this feature to correct the time zone. Okay, basically this is the important things for the ADMS. So most of the ADMS device, some of the ADMS, sorry to say, some of the any ADMS device follow the manufacturing time zone, so we select these things for correct the time zone, so it calculate from here everything. So you can see everything is here, and for the PyZK you can select the when how data will be fetched from the device, which time zone. You can see the current month, or you can select today or current week, it is depend on you. So basically current month will do what will do, it will fetch the log from the ZKTeco device in a certain month, like 30 days or the current month. Okay, everything is here, so you don't need to do anything else. So let me show in our device, like this is on our active. So after putting all information, you need to test it. Test connection, see it is connected. So you can see device information, everything is here. Health capacity, some of the information will not show according, because there are limitation of the devices, and some will show. Okay, these are the things. So what you will do, just if you using the PyZK method, just put the IP address, port number that you give. If your device have password, most of the ZK device don't have password, just hit. Then the company, working location, if you want to add those, you can add that things. Okay, here. So what you will do, before you connecting the device, we recommended one thing. So if you have already employee record in your Odoo, okay, if you have already employee list in your Odoo, just need to go, like, what can I say, you go to the admin, or click on the profile, go to the settings, biometric settings. So you need to put the biometric ID that is on the device, like you are add an user, you have an ID, you need to put in here. So what basically we recommended, because if you put the ID, and if you, let me go to the attendance module. Okay, so if it downloaded after 5 to 20 minutes, it will check the employee has an ID that match with the device or not. If it match, it will fetch the logs of that user. And if you don't have any employee in your Odoo, so what you will do, if downloaded the Odoo and add those user as an employee, so you, just for ensuring that you don't having any duplicacy or anything else, so you can assign that user ID. Okay, then you can download the logs according to your need. So there are many function, you can use that. And these are the thing, if you download it, click, if it is successful, it is automatically reflect on your module. So let me go to the module, you can see it automatically reflect here. You don't need to do anything, you can see it is, if the download from the ZKTeco, it is all show in that level, that ZKTeco device, it is face from the ZKTeco. And if it is a manual attendance, it will show the manual attendance. I will demonstrate it, no worry. So let me go some feature, another extra feature, that is you can filter by the device if you want. Let me click on the 5th month, will be July. You can see it will fetch according to the device, according to the location, according to the department. You can select any department, and you can search by the employee or the ID number, like, what can I say, ID. Okay, you can do it from here, everything is here, and your everything is filtered here. And in dashboard you can see all the record of the employee, and if you click, you can see it has been showing when they has been checked out or not. So this is our feature. And another one is download Excel sheet, download Excel or download report. So just click on the download Excel, you can see you can download the report of employee. Like, let me show you. Let me select Excel and July. You can filter by the department or the employee, just one employee, or you can show that employee don't have late, absent, and time of leave. Everything is here. And best part is our module attendance. It will automatically show the time of leaves. Everything is here. So I will show in our database, another database. And also you can filter by the device. Okay, if you need a specific device, we can filter it here. So let me be a simple and click on the generate report. So it has been downloaded. Let me open it up. So you can see everything's been here in 30 days, and also our ranking. See, employee ranking according to their attendance, time leave, late, everything is here. It will rank automatically. So for the HR, it will be the best part to see the employee ranking according to the attendance, present point, late, absent, leave, overtime, other things. It will rank it according to it. It will be a very helpful thing. And that another one is holiday or mandatory day. It will keep show. You can see it here also. Now let me close and show another. Okay, another things, that is attendance analysis. Basically, this is a raw log from your device, so you can capture the culprit. Basically, there are many human errors occur um, by our employee giving false checkout or checking or giving double punch. Everything else they claim they give this, so you can see from this log everything is here. Okay, and you can generate also report. There are report like summary, details report, anomalic, late checking report. Every report has been here, and you can filter it out from here if you select it. Okay, now, and this is a beta feature, that is copy user between device. Okay, so you can copy the users of the ZKTeco device to another device if you need this, but it is a beta testing. So because if you copy from one device to another, both device will be same brand or same model. Okay, we recommended that because some of the device firmware version has may be different, so it can cause data error also in some case. So remember that things also. Now late checking, you can see here there is a late checking. So you can see the report of the employee of the late who has been late here. Okay, employee attendance sheet, you can download the attendance sheet. Basically these those things repeated that you see in download Excel, that things. And that is monthly employee statement. Basically these are related to the payroll, so you can add the payroll and pay slip, so it will automatically show every employee monthly employee statement. Let me demonstrate it you. Okay, this database don't have any, I think, pay slip yet. So if after generating pay slip you can import these things. So let me show you what will we do. No employee loaded. Okay, let me load all employee. So these are the employee has been loaded. If you have pay slip, it will automatically show here. So see, there is no pay slip is in a 37 pay slip, and these are the pay slip status: paid, done, waiting, draft. So basically the consultant who work on the payslip, they know that these things will be helpful for them. So only employee with a payslip, all loaded employee with and without payslip. You can select that. Now I am going to click on the print statement. Let me wait. It may take some times to process. So it will be a helpful for the HR. So you can see everything has been showing here. If they have payslip, it will show those things, deduction, advance transfer, it will show here. So it is another feature for our HR. And let me go to the another. Now let me cancel it. Okay, now go to the next is another ship template. Okay, ship template is a necessary things, so I will show on our another database. And another is review history report. Okay, this I'm showing to the another. Let me take to the in our Odoo another database. Yeah, you can see that everything is here of our. It is showing that holiday. The we have connected the public holiday, mandatory day with attendance. It all will be shown here, and weekdays in showing here in configure it. Now let me show something like what can I say? Late checking. So current month, let me close the filter. You can see all the late checking has been here. And now the ship template. Basically, this feature has been built for some companies. Those have roster duty, or you can say the employee in restaurant, they don't have certain time. Sometimes their schedule has changed or anything else. So you can use this feature of our module. So you can see night shift crosses midnight. So some company like call center, restaurant, medical, emergency, that have employee those who work at night, and next day they go close, they leave the office. Okay, so basically you see in Tuesday morning their shift start Tuesday. We select the morning, you can say into afternoon or morning you want. So we select the 21 or like 9 p.m. and their roster, their time will be end at Wednesday 6 a.m. So what we will do, it create a roster schedule of this employee, and it also connected to the working schedule, Odoo own working schedule. You can see everything is working like Tuesday morning, Wednesday 21 to 24, again Tuesday morning to Wednesday, it is 0 to 6 p.m. So you can configure everything is here. Okay, so this will be automatically, and you can assign employee in the roster duty. So you can give the start date and end date, like you may, some employee may have start date or end date, you can give this here, or you can set a global time zone. What can I say, to time range, start and end date. So you can select a several employee by here, by selecting here, by filtering department or something else, like you can select multiple employees. And then after selecting, doing everything, just click the generate roster. Okay, it will generate all roster time, it will all generate all roster time of the employee. You can see it already has been created. There is no upcoming, there are few previous roster duty. And the best part is if you remove or assign or edit any time zone time, so it will automatically update it. Okay, so let me print out like print PDF. Let me open. So you can see every roster time has been here. So it will be for it will be helpful for the HR. So these things all has been here. And the best part, most of the module basically don't handle some, suppose like employee give checking, they forgot to check out but they came in next day, so it automatically closes the attendance according to the working schedule or the roster schedule. Okay, it automatically closes that time. So basically you will question that how the HR will understand that there is a problem or issue, because employee give checking, they came, they forget to check out on the shift time but came on next day and give checking, but the my attendance module showing that he check out at 23.59, okay, like 11:59 p.m. so we solve this issue, like what can I say, review, attendance review. You can see the problem of our employee. You can see, you can, some employee who make mistake, it will give you the reason how it, so what is the reason, may work auto close end of the day, every reason has been there. So HR can review it and correct it. You can see HR, let me open it. You can see recorded as checking but the device button said checkout, possibly forgetting checking, it already has been giving here. And also second one is auto close end day by the this 29 17 59 59, no checkout punches found, original checking has been given here. So HR can review it and correct it and approve this attendance. Okay, so we add this feature, so you can see the roster from here, this desk things has been here, every people roster has been given here. So you can print the roster from here also. So let me print it out. Save it. Okay, let me open it up. So you can see every roster duty has been coming here from 19 July to 31. Okay, these are the feature. Now the open attendance, checkout, review history, everything is here. Now let me go to the configuration settings. Okay, so see, let me introduce some things like tolerance time favor. So you company may have tolerance time favor, you can add these things, and you can enable shift auto close feature and attendance review. You can see I flagged those things, so I flagged these things also. Also the HR will get the review, those who have admin access of the HR module. And you can see payroll, use native auto payroll for attendance statement, enable late check time. You can see tolerance period we give 30 minutes. After 30 minutes it will continue, it will check as a count as a late. Like if your office time starts from the 10 a.m. you can give a 30-minute tolerance that okay fine, the employee comes in between 30 minutes, it will not count as a check late time, sorry. So you can make it at 0. So after 10 a.m. it will count as a late. But if you want to give a tolerance time, okay fine, that employee may come in 30 minutes, it will be okay, he can come in 10:30, it will not count it as a late. But if you are strict, just put this on 0, and after the maximum time like 240 minutes, it will not count as a late. Okay, synchronized detection, and we can see Friday and Saturday is a weekend holiday. In dashboard these feature will be helpful for you. And these are a payroll accounting, basically it's connected to the community version. So these are the things. Okay, these are the things. So let me go to our module ZKTeco, sorry, device space. You can see these are the logs. So you can see also, you can see the logs of our attendance, fail, download logs. You can see all logs have been here, that has been stored here. Okay, live capture and more. On this river, how many people. And another thing is like ADMS mode. You can see our ADMS mode is working, it has been online. So it will, everything is there. It is also given instruction how it will be add to the ADMS instruction. Basically in ADMS you need to first, if you need to use ADMS feature, my recommendation, first you need to ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Second, in ADMS you can put the server address or URL, server address or URL, just put this server address or domain name. So and turn on HTTPS. Okay, turn on HTTPS because in Odoo.sh HTTPS method is allowed, no 80 port or no normal HTTP is not allowed. Okay, you need to enable that. The HTTPS turn on, you need to check that HTTPS is turned on or not. But if you have on premises device, you are admin, you can technical person, you can use the port 80 port or server address as you want, no worry. Okay, in our ADMS. And you then second option is, you need, if you are in on premises, you need to ensure that your port, if you are using on like PyZK mode, you need to and enable the port 4370 and 80 port and 443 port that you are using, so that Odoo can communicate like with the device, or the device can communicate it with the Odoo. But in Odoo.sh it is automatically handle everything. So you can see receive harmful time sync. Some device may change time if they hit the to the server. So we have given the instruction in here below, in also in our Odoo app page, so how to configure the NGINX protocol, how to block those so that the device cannot change the time. Everything has been here. So these are the things, and we, what can I say? Now everything is instruction has been there. So if you in on premises, So if you have multiple database, we have handled these things also. So like if your device hit in a raw IP, so what is raw IP? This is a raw IP and a raw domain. If hit in the database, there may be a several database. So what you can do, automatically a ZKTeco module or the ZKTeco module in another database. So when the device basically hit the server, it automatically disable or inactive the device. Okay, only you when you add this information, it will enable this device automatically. So basically these are the things for the multiple database. You can ask for the support, we can support on this. Okay, we can guide you. And you can see the Odoo, in Odoo.sh you will not able to use the IP. Odoo doesn't allow to connect IP. If you put Odoo.sh IP in your ADMS device, it will not work. Okay, and also you are leaving that multiple database, you can use these link also according to the database. Put those things here, or you can add raw domain or raw IP. And also some device you may need to put HTTPS. That's I am talking like this full address HTTPS / at your domain name. Okay, you need to put for some devices, because if you don't put HTTPS, some device may fail to connect with the Odoo server. You need to ensure that things also. So you can see everything is sync time, everything is sync, it will automatically sync time with the device. Okay, everything is with them. You can reboot the device. These things basically work for the direct method. So this video will be lots. So these are the demonstration that how you can connect it to the device, how you can do everything has been there. And on another thing is biometric attendance insight. Let me go to the biometric attendance device. You can see total issue, attendance summary, trend analysis. This is the KPI you can see. So everything will be there. So the HR can see in UI or in graphical BI report method. You can see everything is here. And time off, what I am saying is time off, that another things. Let me show you a time off. Let me go to the dashboard. So let me just change the month. You can see sick leave, casual leave, it will showing here. If you download the report, that time off will also be shown in the report. Okay, it will also calculate the KPI, also calculate the rank of the employee according to that. So that's all. Thank you for watching video. And we also have a Hikvision module in our Odoo. So let me go. So you can see our module in top. So let me click on that. So this is our, just click on the .bd solution. So we have many modules have been developed by us. Basically we developed it, the module. So you can see Hikvision Biometric. You can also install the Hikvision Biometric, and also our master address module is coming, that is Hikvision and ZKTeco, both are combined module. Okay, you can purchase from here. Every information has been given here. So thank you for watching. See you next time.